Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable to Mrs. Annie Yulianti MSI as my supervisor. The Honorable to Mrs. blah 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 as my examiner. The first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Arifatul Aini with the number ID 176300076. In this occasion, I will to present about my research with the title Blaine Effect on the setting time and compressive strength of PCC, Portland Composite Cement. As for some of the points that I will explain in this presentation, namely the first is profile of company, background of the research, formulation of the problem, purpose of the research, literature review, result and discussion, and conclusion. For the first one is the company profile. A few moments ago, I was doing research at the Bosowa company. The name Bosowa comes from the abbreviation Bone, Sopeng, and Wajo, which are the three Bugis kingdoms located in South Sulawesi. Currently, Bosowa Cement has grown rapidly and has many branches, one of which is located at kilometers 5, Bulusan Kalipuro, Banyuwangi. As for the several process stages carried out in Bosowa, Banyuwangi, namely transport of raw materials, milling process, temporary storage in vertical mill, packaging and distribution, and encoding. As for the background of the problem in this research, namely, cement industry is an industry that plays a role in development in Indonesia. It is undeniable that several cement production from various companies compete with each other to improve the quality of their cement production. The good quality of cement can be seen from several factors, among others in terms of its physical and chemical characteristics. Maintaining cement quality is the duty of every cement company. One of the problems in each company in terms of its physical characteristic is finding the right blend value so that the cement used is of good quality. To determine a good quality cement can be done by testing the setting time and compressive strength. From these problems, research was carried out on the effect of subtlety variation 2000, 3000, 4000, and 5000 centimeters over gram on the setting time and compressive strength of PCC cement, Portland composite cement, to answer each problem. From the problems that I formulated three problems formulations, among others, and the first is how does the variation of Blaine effect on setting time of PCC cement mortar? And the second, how is the Blaine effect variation on the compressive strength test at 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, and 28 days? And the last is how does the duration of inwelling cement mortar affect the compressive strength value? In connection with the formulation of the problem, I aim to know the variation of Blaine effect, the setting time of PCC cement mortar. And to know the Blaine effect variation on the PCC cement mortar compressive strength test at 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, and 28 days. At last, to know the duration of inwelling cement mortar effect the compressive strength value. Then, I use the theoretical basis associated with the research that I do. Cement is a mixture of several chemical compounds that are hydraulic. Cement also has adhesive and cohesive properties, which can form new compounds when reacted with the water. The definition of composite Portland cement according to SNI 157064 2014 is a hydraulic binder resulting from grinding together Portland cement slick and gypsums with one or more inorganic materials, or the result of mixing Portland cement powder with other inorganic powder. The following is a table describing the Indonesian national standard on PCC cement. Namely, plane effect has a minimum requirement of 280 meters quadrate over kilograms, and setting time test is divided into two time. At the first is initial time has a minimum requirement of 45 minutes, and final time has a minimum requirement of 375 minutes. Last is compressive strength test. The compressive strength test is divided into four testing. At the first is 1 day, has not a minimum requirement on 3 days, has a minimum requirement 130 kilograms over centimeters quadrate, and next 7 days has a minimum requirement of 200 kilograms over centimeters quadrate. And the last is 28 days has a minimum requirement of 280 kilograms over centimeters quadrate. As for the composition of PCC cement, consists of four materials, namely clinker, pozzolan, limestone, and gypsum. Clinker is the main raw material for the manufacture of cement, which is produced from various calcium silicate. Pozzolan is a material that contains alumina and silica and functions as a compressive strength enhancer. The next is limestone. Limestone is a material that contains calcium carbonate. And last, gypsum. Gypsum is a material with the chemical compounds gypsum sulfate dihydrate. Gypsum is divided into two types, namely natural and synthetic. In this research, there are two stages of testing. At the first is setting time test. In the setting time test, there are 5 steps, including weighing water and cement according to the specific portion, making cement paste with a cement mixer, determining normal consistency using a flow table, hardening the cement in a wet box, and testing setting time using a VCAT tool. And the second is the compressive strength test with 6 stages, including weighing water, cement, and silica sand according to the specific portion, making mortar with a cement mixer, printing cement mortar, hardening the cement in a wet box, and testing the compressive strength using compressive strength tool. Next is results and discussion. The blends of grinding cement grains is called the specific cross-sectional area, namely the larger cross-sectional area of cement particles, which will enlarge the contact area with water so that it accelerates the hydration process. At the first test is the determination of the setting time. It can be seen in the table. There are two lines with different colors. The first line is blue, shows the result of the initial time, while the red line shows the final time. From the two lines shows a graph decrease from the lowest value to the highest plane. This explains that the higher the plane value, the faster the time it takes for cement to bind to water. As previously explained, the finer cement particles, the faster cement hydraulics with the water. As for the reaction that occurs when water reacts with a mixture of tricalcium aluminate content from clinker with calcium sulfate hydrate from gypsum, it will form a new compound in the form of tricalcium aluminate, 0.3 calcium sulfate, 0.31 hydrate, or commonly called entrinite. So that the finer the cement particles, the faster the water react with the compound content. And the next test is the blend effect on compressive strength. From the graphical data obtained, there are 4 lines with different colors showing the value of smoothness and test edge against compressive strength. Namely, the blue line shows the compressive strength value against plane 2141 and the green line plane 3300. The yellow line with plane 4530 and the red one with a plane value of 5204 centimeters quadrat over grams. From each plane, at a certain age, the graph increase. One of them is plane 2141 centimeters quadrat over grams. At 1 day, the compressive strength value obtained is 13 kilograms over centimeters quadrat. 3 days obtain 40 kilograms over centimeters quadrat. 7 days obtain 68 kilograms over centimeters quadrat. And at the age of 8 days obtained 197 kilograms over centimeters quadrat. As for the reason why blends affect the compressive strength value, the smaller cement particles, the less likely it is to form cavities so that the cement mortar will be denser. The effect of the duration of setting time on compressive strength, as shown in the table, explain that the longer the setting time, the higher the value of the compressive strength. From the research that has been done with 3 problems formulation taken, it can be concluded that the higher blend value will be faster the cement setting time. At the second, the higher blend value will be increased the cement compressive strength. At the last is the longer immersion will be increased compressive strength. Be enough for me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.